How to treat yeast overload, Candida, or candidiasis. If you're looking for a natural solution for those problems, and this video is for you. I'll share with you powerful treatments that I have seen help patients over the last 20 years without relying on harsh medications. Say goodbye to the feelings of Candida, like lousiness, fatigue, lethargy, really sensitivity to foods. We want to say hello to healthy, balanced living. And so stick around to discover the secrets to beating systemic yeast problems. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. West. Welcome back. And today we're talking into the topic that affects so many people, candidiasis or Candida. And if you're tired of dealing with those recurrent infections and want a natural solution, that's the goal of this right here. So candidiasis is a fungal infection caused by an overgrowth of the Candida yeast. And remember, if you put yeast into a warm, dark environment with a little bit of sugar, it tries to ferment, and you feel that partial ickiness, hungover, lethargic feeling, and it can affect various parts of the body, leading to discomfort and health issues. I've developed a comprehensive approach to tackle the problem head on. Now, the first step in my treatment plan is focusing on diet and lifestyle and really eliminating the food sources, which is refined carbs, so that we can starve the yeast, making it harder for it to thrive. Incorporating probiotics and a really specific diet helps restore healthy gut flora, which is crucial for keeping Candida in check. Regular exercise, stress management play a vital role in maintaining overall health. Remember, stress isn't a disease, it just makes every disease worse, which is why in every patient consultation and video, we talk about how important it is to channel the stress. It's not possible to completely eliminate it, but how we can use these neat tricks or hacks to help you take the stress and put it in the right place. Another consideration is IV sodium ascorbate therapy and oxidative medicine. So sodium ascorbate is a form of vitamin C that helps to boost the immune system and get your body to fight off infections. The oxidative medicine component is oxygen is such an important molecule. If it's the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain in biochemistry, your byproducts are oxygen and energy and water, and you skip the acidity and that lactic acid buildup. Oxidative medicine involves therapies that increase oxygen in your body, creating an environment where Candida just can't survive. These methods are powerful tools in the anti-Candida arsenal. And we also incorporate some yeast-killing medicines like lomatium, like what they used to call vermifuge and caprylic acid. These substances are highly effective in targeting eliminating Candida and helping to restore balance in your body. And an often overlooked aspect of treating candidiasis is supporting the jails of your body, or what's called the lymphatic system. By changing the hydrogen ion content involving potassium and dilute hydrochloric acid, we can help the lymph nodes to drain more effectively, which literally helps your entire immune system to process things more efficiently. This detoxifies the body and enhances your immune system response. My approach is far different than most alternative medicine methods. It's a comprehensive, targeting Candida from multiple angles, from the inside out and the outside in, so that we can get lasting results. If you're looking for a natural and proven way to beat yeast problems and Candida, you're in the right place. So if you're ready to take control of your health and say goodbye to this, just go to www.americashealer.com to learn more about my approach and start your journey to a yeast-free lifestyle. Remember, it's not about treating the symptom, it's about treating the root cause. And thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone you might benefit. Let's support each other on the journey to better health, and I'll see you on the next video.